we originally launched our public, we've been working on this for probably 2.5 years now, a solid 2 years, hands on keyboard, IDE open kind of work. And so we did our test net back in July of last year, July of 24. And so we had a good, 7, 8, 9 months to bake the protocol, do testing. We had an amazing community show up who, uh, you know, whether they were chasing points or just really interested in parts of the tech or whatever, they were poking and prodding every single part of the system, which was really cool, really great from a testing, feedback, iterative development perspective. So that was super cool to see. I think that kind of that baking period and figuring out, especially with some of the new stuff we're doing with Bitcoin interoperability, our tunneling system, what we call HVM, the Hemi Virtual Machine, which I'm sure we'll talk more about later in this podcast. But seeing people try out those different technologies and put them to the test and give not just feedback of hey, this part's broken, or is this a bug, but some of the usability stuff like, hey, if I'm going to build an application that does this, I'm going to need this piece and this piece, and this thing responding in this way doesn't make as much sense as maybe structuring it like this. So a lot of good feedback both on the hard bug fixes and improvements, and then also the softer what the product looks like, how people want to use it, how people want to engage with it. So I think all that led up to a successful mainnet launch.